Do you know what is that one thing that you keep doing for 16 hours a day? It is listening, my friends, listening. But then it is also still the most underrated skill. Trust me, if you're not a good listener, there is no chance that you can establish genuine proficiency in any discipline. So, to end up being a good listener, great listener, I will say, excellent listener, you need to understand the four levels of listening. It's by famous psychologist Otto Scharmer. He says in the level 1, this listening happens from our habits, which is called downloading. And the first thing that you hear inside yourself when you're listening in a downloading mode, hey, I know that already, man, why you're saying that again? It comes from our habit of judgment. At level 1 of listening, we are not present there. The speaker will feel disconnected, overlooked, and maybe even disrespected. We are also unlikely to learn much or have a productive conversation if you are listening at level 1. So let's move on to the level number 2, friends. The level number 2 comes from outside. It's called factual listening. And the first feeling that you will hear the moment you are in a factual listening mode, oh, look at that. Oh, is it? Surprising. So now this is the point where you start accessing your open mind. We are focused. We are asking and paying attention to the content of the discussion. We are not paying attention to the feelings of that human, but we are just paying attention to the content of the discussion. It's amazing. Level 3 is called empathic listening. And this is where you'll open your heart. And the first thought that can come is, oh yes, I know how you feel. By the time we reach at this level, we start beginning to touch the individual, right? We are talking to. Not simply the truths they bring, not only the content they are talking about, we are trying to connect with the person as well. They are getting listened, and that's where they connect with us. And the last level is all about will, open will. And this is where I am connecting with the source. I'm exactly listening what he's saying, what is he feeling, what is his insights on that. So that is what is called generative listening. I'm ready to shift my identity. I'm ready to shift myself. This is where the listening of fourth level is so impactful. At this phase, the listener moves beyond connecting with the speaker. They begin to get in touch with the core concept of the discussion and even their prospective future. They are completely concentrated on assisting in bringing the very best possible future into being. Their ego and any other barriers generally they bring into is completely dropped. So guys, all the great listening educators, coaches, spouses don't only empathize with you with your past, but they see you in terms of highest future unlimited potential. We can completely transform our personal and professional life with this one thing, guys: listening at fourth level.